doing, Tristan?
I don't know.
Keep your puppet like this. Keep him just like this, okay? Alright. Well, you want to go for a walk?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Where's Grandpa at?
Well, I don't know. He's sleeping somewhere.
He's right there. I see him.
What?
Let's do have a puppet.
Get your puppet back up here. No,
Let's do
we're
have a puppet.
pretending Grandpa's sleeping, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Let's go look for cacti.
Okay.
Whoa, what about lizards?
Let's go a little bit, okay?
Okay, this way. Here we go. Okay, let's go that way now. We ran out of the road. Hey, wait for me. I might get lost in the desert. It's scary out here.
Don't be afraid. I get him. What was that?
Whoa. Where's your puppet? Where are you? Okay. Whoa, you're so tall.
Yeah.
How'd you get so tall?
Because I'm really tall.
Okay, get back down here like me. Not that far down. A little bit more up.
Bye,
Up.
Dad.
Oh, trying to keep these kids in line is very hard. Tristan! Tristan! Oh, well, I guess I have to go to the desert by myself. Okay.
Boom!